Good morning, dear children. How are you? Enjoying all the activities shared by your teachers? Oh, yes. So, today in your maths class, you are going to do put the sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. And look who is here to meet and greet you. Oh, yes, hello. I'm your friend Ali the alligator. I've come to meet you. Feed me, I'm very hungry and I love to eat all the bigger numbers. Feed me, please. So, the hungry alligator, and his name is Ali, is very hungry and opens his mouth to eat only the big numbers. Only big numbers satisfies his hunger. Oh wow, cupcakes! I will eat this. And I love bigger numbers, the greater numbers. So I'm going to eat the cupcake of 21 number. Yes, I eat greater numbers. So 21 number cupcake, I'm going to have it. Ellie compared the number and opens mouth wider side facing the number, and the 21 number cupcake was the greater number, and this symbol is the sign of greater than. And let's learn more about these signs from this song.
Alligator, alligator, in the mood for food.
Oh no!
Alligator, alligator, now he's a hungry dude.
Oh yeah!
Looks for something on his left side, looks for something on his right side. Alligator wants the biggest meal every day and every night.
What's the biggest number? I'll eat the greatest number. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Yummy, yummy, yum, eating numbers is so fun. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number.
Now he's gonna eat the 7
Yum yum!
because it's greater than 5.
Oh yeah!
He's gonna open his mouth for the 7. He always eats the greater number. When you use a less than greater than sign to compare numbers, the open or wider side is facing the greater number, and the smaller side points to the smaller number. It looks just like the alligator's mouth.
So remember the alligator's mouth and see the signs? Yes, the wider side, the first one is the greater than sign, and the second one is the equal to. When both the numbers are equal, you need to put this sign. And the pointed side of the alligator's mouth, the third sign, is the sign of less than. So now you know the sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. Remember the rhyme and do it. Which sign would be over here between 8 and 5? Yes, yum yummy alligator would love to munch the biggest number. Yes, so you are going to have the greater than sign in front of number 8. So now you know thoroughly the signs of greater than, equal to, and less than. One more way to remember the sign and how and where to put. Greater than sign is GR, go right. You are going to open the alligator's wider mouth towards the greater number, and the less than, go left. The encircle letter give you the indication that you need to keep the pointed side towards the less number. Now see here, all the signs are done correctly. Yes, compare the numbers and do it. So 8 and 8 are the equal number, equal to sign is there, 10 is the bigger number, the alligator's mouth is open towards the 10. Similarly, 3 is the greater number and the greater sign is there. Time for the home task. See this particular worksheet and put the sign correctly of greater than, less than, and equal to. Till then, we meet again. Bye bye.